Students, today we are going to learn about what is union of set and what is intersection, what is difference of the sets. So these three topics we will discuss here today, that is union of sets, next intersection of sets, next third one difference of sets, and last one is symmetric, right? So these four topics we will discuss. Now first we'll go for the what is union. So normally union is nothing but the combination of all the values. So here as per the definition it is given that the union of two or more sets is the set of all those elements which are either individual or both in common. The union of set is denoted by U, right? Now for example, if I take A is equal to some 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to some 3 4 5 6. Now as per the definition, union is nothing but A union B. So we are writing this set as means combination of two elements, that is A union B is equal to the set of A is 1 2 3 4 union the set of B is 3 4 5 6. Now combine these all the values. If it is of repeated, if it is of common values, we are writing as ones, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So like this we are finding union of any set. If I go for one more example, that is A is equal to some 4 6 8, B is equal to some 9 10 11. So here in these two problems, in this problem it is not, you don't have any common value, still we will get a union here, that is A union B is equal to 4 6 8 union 9 10 11. Now union is nothing but combination of all values, that is 4 6 8 9 10 and 11, right? So like this we are finding the union of any two sets or any three sets and so on. Okay, so next question is what is given next one? Intersection of any two sets, right? Intersection of sets. Now how to find the intersection of sets? So as per the definition, the intersection is nothing but the common values, means we are selecting only the common values, that is the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belong to A, both A and B, right? Now if I take an example, and it is denoted as A intersection B, right? Now if I take an example, that is A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to some 3 4 5 6. Now previous problem only I have taken here. So A intersection B, as per the definition, the intersection of two sets A and B is a set of all those elements which belong to both A and B. So in this both, what is the value which is common? Now 3 and 4 is common, so my answer is 3 and 4, right? Just we are writing only the common terms in intersection, but as in union we are taking all the letters, all the elements, all the values, including with the common values, right? Now if I take the second example, that is A is equal to A E I O U and B is equal to some A I U. Right. Now what is your intersection? That is, as per the definition, A intersection B is equal to whatever the common elements are there in both the sets is a intersection. That is, A is common, I is common, U is common. So I can write as A I U. Right. So like this we are finding your intersection. Now coming to a difference of sets, that is third one. Difference of set. Now how to find the difference of sets? So difference of sets, as per the definition, the difference of sets A and B is the set of elements which belongs to A but not belong to B. Right. Means as per your denotation, we can write that it is denoted as A minus B. Right. Now if I take an example, say A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to some 1, 2. Right. Now as per the definition, the difference of two sets A and B is a set of element which belongs to A but not belongs to B. Means wherever you have the common numbers, just you cancel that common numbers and whatever the elements is left in your set A, that will be the answer. That is, A minus B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 2 and cancel your common terms and whatever the elements is left over in first set, that will be the answer. Now you may have the doubt here. If no element is left in the first set, what will be the answer? For example, if I take here element, so 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now if the problem is given like this, now how to solve this one? So as per the definition, A minus B is equal to 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. As per the definition, we are cancelling the common terms. As per the definition, what they have given, the difference of sets A and B is a set of elements which belongs to A but not belongs to B. So always when you go for the subtraction or difference, whatever the elements is left over in the first set is the answer. But here you don't have any elements left over, so your answer will be empty or null set. Clear? Now here you have a note. So what is that note? You always remember here. So in the first one, A union B is always equal to B union A. That is the first note. You have to remember, because union of any two sets is equal to union of another two sets, right? Next, if I go for the second one, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Right? Both are equal again. Now if I go for the third one, A minus B is not equal to B minus A, because if you take the elements of the first set, will be totally different of the element of this set, right? So this is a important note we have to remember always. Next, coming to a fourth one, that is symmetry. For this we have a formula, that is A minus B union B minus A. Now based on this problem, we will solve some problem here. If A is equal to some 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to some 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now first you find A minus B. So A minus B is A is 1, 2, 3, 4 minus B values 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer here? The common terms will get cancelled and whatever the elements is left in the first set will be the answer, that is 1, 2. And next you find what is B minus A. So B is nothing but 3, 4, 5, 6 minus A value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now cancel your common terms. So 3, 4 is common. Now whatever the elements is left in the first set will be the answer, that is 5, 6. Now as per the definition of the formula of the symmetry, your formula is A minus B union B minus A is nothing but A minus B value is 1, 2 union B minus A value is 5, 6. Now if I combine these values, you will get here 1, 2, 5, 6. So like this we are finding your answer. So hope today we have completed what is union of sets, what is intersection of set, what is difference of set, and what is symmetric. So based on that, these definitions, we have taken some examples and solved. So hope you guys understand these problems and try to do the problems which is given in the textbooks. Thank you.